How to add Mollie to Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we'll show you step by step how to add Mollie as your payments provider in your Shopify store. Now this is obviously going to depend on your store's country, you could say. So obviously it's going to be different from one country to another, and obviously there are some regions that it just doesn't have Mollie in them. Anyways, in order to actually add Mollie, you simply just want to log into your Shopify store. Go to the settings tab on the bottom left corner. From there, you simply just want to go ahead and click on payments. And then you simply just want to find the see all other providers option. Click on it. And this page, you should be able to see all the different providers that are available in your region. Now, you can just go in and click on the search tab and type in Mollie. And you should be able to see one or more different Mollie providers depending on which one is available for you. You simply just go in and click on it, or whichever one that you actually want, and then just go in and click on install from the top right corner. After that, you just simply want to confirm the installation. And then lastly, you just want to connect with your Mollie account. So just go in and click on connect with Mollie, and feel free to sign into your account and you should be good to go. So this is how to add Mollie to your Shopify. I hope you found this video to be helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.